So this is the staircase I'm going to use for my experiment. And it's 5 floors, so that should give me plenty of data. And I have with me the 2 items that I need to take my data, a device with Arduino Science Journal downloaded, and a meter stick or ruler. So let's go over to the bottom of the staircase to start taking our measurements. So the first measurement we're going to take is the air pressure on the ground level. So I have my air pressure sensor pulled up, and then I'm going to set my iPad on the ground so that we can say the device was truly at ground level, 0 meters, when we take the measurement. And then I'll just press snapshot. And then we have our first pressure reading. And I'm also going to keep track of the height measurements in the app. So I'm just going to add a note to the reading I just took saying that this was taken at 0 meters off the ground. So now we can move on to our second data point, which is going to be taken right at the top of that first flight of stairs there. But before I go up, I'm going to use my meter stick or ruler to measure the distance between the ground floor and that landing where we're going to take our next measurement. And I think the easiest way to do this is to just measure the height of one step and then multiply that by the total number of steps in the flight. So let's see how tall this one is. And I would say it's about 17.5 centimeters. So now I'll go up the stairs and I'm going to count how many there are. Okay, so there are 10 steps. So 17.5 centimeters per step times 10 steps gives us 1.75 meters, and that'll be the height of our second measurement. So now I'll just go ahead and take the second pressure measurement, remembering again to put the device flat on the ground. And I'll press snapshot. And then I'm going to add another note to the reading I just took, saying that this was taken 1.75 meters off the ground. So that's how you'll take your measurements, and you'll just do that same thing going from the ground floor all the way to the top of your stairwell. So I'm going to go finish taking my data, and I'll see you guys up at the top.